Have no fear, one of my favorite lessons is here, and it will be sure to blow your students' minds.
To begin to prepare for this lesson, you're going to want some different boxes that students can stick their hands into, but not actually see what is inside. Now, this can be zombie intestines, or it can be ghost guts, or whatever you want it to be, spaghetti noodles, pasta, grapes, different types of fruits, literally anything that feels crazy. They can make scientific observations, or you can have them do a 5 senses writing, or you can simply stick task cards into whatever is inside the box so they get that nasty gooey feeling, but they pull one out and they have to complete whatever is on that task card. Lots of different ways to do this lesson. It is so fun to tap into your students' fear side of things. They might be a little hesitant at first, but it is definitely going to build the engagement to take any ordinary task to the next level. So get ready for some fear factor, everybody.
Comment below if you'll be using this lesson in your classroom.